Welcome to floor plan number 8 here at Ocean Residence. Step inside the front door with me. So here we've got a very special 2-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom floor plan. Very open concept. We've got bedrooms on both ends. Each bedroom is a master suite in itself with a walk-in closet and very spacious ensuite bathroom. In the center, we've got a very spacious living room area with an open kitchen and also a powder room and laundry room behind the kitchen area. And of course, everything opens up onto this spacious, lovely patio area. So we've got about 250 square feet outside, and inside we've got about 1,500 square feet air-conditioned space. And of course, both bedrooms and the living room open up onto this terrace, which is hovering right above the Caribbean Sea. But we're also at the entrance to the Simpson Bay Lagoon, so throughout the year, you've got great nautical activity with sailboats, yachts, speedboats going in and out. Basically, that creates a very nice moving view. So you can sit outside here and, as they say, watching the ships roll in. My name is Arun Jaktiani from Island Real Estate Team. If you're interested in inventory at Ocean Residence, please give me a call, send me an email. I'd love to work with you. Enjoy the views, guys. See you at the next floor plan.